I know you'll be wondering, could this be true? I'm here to tell you that yes, it is actually true. You can get Elementor Pro legally for free. Now, let me quickly take you on a little walk to my website to clear your doubts on how it works. Hello guys, you're welcome. This is Kingsley from Bless channel. In case you just joining me for the first time, please ensure you subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video, or so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload content like this. So now you can see this is my website. Now from the website, now you can see I actually have Elementor installed, but I actually don't have Elementor Pro installed. But you can see I only have Elementor installed. But you can see from here, once you come here, this is the website. You can see from here, you can see that all the whole Pro features are actually enabled. You can see I can pick, let me say for example, I want to pick the form. I can pick the form and bring it here, and you can see the form displayed over here. You can see the form displayed. Now I can also still pick any part. So let me scroll down to the Pro elements so that you can decide to pick any. Let me say I want to pick the login. You can see, bring in the login. You can see that everything is actually functioning very well. So you can see that I actually using Elementor Pro actually for free without paying for it. So I'm going to be walking you through how you can actually get this for yourself. So you can see this is actually a blank setup, and you can see I just installed the Elementor from the number directly from here. So now I'm going to be showing you how to. You can see I actually don't have the Pro. Let me even uninstall this so that you see how everything looks like. So now this is actually, it's not activated. So now I already have my Elementor activated, and I'm going to now come over here, and in case I'm going to come over here, we be dropping the link to this particular plugin I'm going to be making use of. So you can just check the description box below. You will see the link there, and you just click on the link and download the plugin. So once you download the plugin, it will going to be on your system. So what you're going to just do is just to come to plugins to them, or you click on upload plugins. So now I'm just quickly going to drag the plugin here, go to upload plugin. So I'm going to then I will navigate to where I have the plugin. So I'm going to navigate to where I have the plugin. So I'm going to now bring in the plugin here. So once I bring in the plugin, I'm going to now click on install. So once I click on install, actually using the older version of it, so that because I want to show you so that you know that everything is going to work perfectly well. So let's just follow me along as I'm walking you. So I'm going to show you everything, how to go about it step by step. So let's just wait for it to finish loading. So you can see it has actually finished. So you can see after it's installed the plugin. So what I'm going to just do is to click on activate. So I'm going to activate the plugin. Before doing this, now I'm going to, sorry, I actually missed it. I wanted to show you something that before. So I'm going to deactivate this particular plugin again. I'm going to deactivate it. Now, when you come to your Elementor, you can see that when I do on the template, because this is what I have to show you how everything so that you ensure that you can see when I come to add new. If I should click on add new, I'm trying to open it from a new tab. When I come here, add new, that's when I try to add new template. Then I select, you can see I can only add page to it. I can only add just page. So there's no option for me to add either header or footer or other stuff. So let me just come here again and activate this plugin back so that you see the magic. So now whenever I refresh, let me reload this again. So now you can now see it gives me more. So now I can now add, you can see the magic. I can now add my header, I cannot create a header, I cannot create a footer. So you can see everything is now working. Actually it's not actually working very well for me. So now I'm going to let me just say I want to create a pop-up, because we actually know pop-up you cannot make use of it. So let me just say I want to create a pop-up. So I'm just going to let me just name it pop-up. Let me just say, for example, that's what I just want to create. Then click on create. Then you going to wait for it. It's going to load up. So you can see it's actually opening up. So you can see that from here I'm able to use my Elementor. Yeah, of me. You can see the only thing now. You can see this is it. I can make use of it the way I want to make use of. Now you can see the only thing here now, if you want to make use of all, maybe try to apply any of these templates now, it might tell you to use a link to your WordPress library to get them. So now what I'm going to just do, I'm going to try to see how to create. I'll just try to create, because I just wanted to show you. So now I'm going to come over here, and now you can pick each part you want to make use of yourself. You can actually pick anyone you want to make use of, whether it is let me say, for example, it's animated text. You can see by the time I bring it in, my animated text is going to, you can see it's actually functioning. So I just wanted to use this to show you that, and when you are done, you can actually publish this. Let me just, I'm just saving it without, or let me just say it's trigger, on page load. Let me condition this. Let me just add condition on the entire site, trigger the rules. Then I just want you to see how it works. So then I've actually saved it. So now let me just reload this page. Now once it loads, you can see that everything is actually working fine, even without me using Elementor Pro. Having Elementor Pro, you can see with this I've been able to use my element. This is the only plugin that actually integrates very well with Elementor Pro. And one thing one good part about this plugin is that even after using this and creating your site, and probably in the future, or you decide to actually do away with this and get your Elementor Pro, or probably you now get your Elementor Pro, you can actually install Elementor Pro and deactivate this, and everything, your site is not going to break. Everything is going to still work perfectly well. But if you still want to maintain this, you can actually still go on using this without Elementor Pro, and everything will still be working perfectly well. And one good part about this particular plugin is that even when after, you can see that actually it's not from Elementor directly, from WordPress directly. I actually installed it. So we downloaded it and it's brought it in. You can see that maybe after a while it will tell you updates, that there's new update. You can actually update it from here directly. Once you see it brings up that, you can just click on update and it's going to update directly from here without having any issues. So you don't have any fear to start thinking probably this is a null thing. No, it's not actually a null thing. So it's not actually a null plugin. So you can actually make use of it and do whatever you want to do with it without having any fear. I believe this video must have actually been helpful to you. And if you enjoyed this video and you're still watching this video and if not yet, consider subscribing to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So until next time, this is where I'm going to stop. Bye for now.